Our village is situated on the banks of Penganga River in the foothills. A few years ago, when the flood came, village moved to a distant mountain. We are the residents of Rani Dhanora village. Farming and labor are our main occupations. Along with this, there is a cow or a goat in one's house. But for some reason, goats did not live. One day, Sahyogini Tai came to visit us. She said, goat rearing business could be done along with the wages. So this will increase the income a little, she explained. 20 of us decided to buy more goats. And seeing our enthusiasm, a madam from MAVIM told us about a scheme. And we got 4 goats each at a very low rate. We had a family of 20 women and 80 goats. Then Pashu Sakhi from MAVIM came to visit us. She told us about how to take care of goats, how to keep up cleanliness. She taught us how to treat the goats when they get ill or injured. Because of this, we were able to take care of them. Our village is situated at the foot of the mountain and it has the warmth of Penganga River. And this is our new family. We live together in a harmony. We get to know each other. A new hope in the form of MAVIM has reached a village far from the world.